Hey, money magnets, let's talk about how to get a $20,000 Sam's Club business credit card in 2025.
Look, guys, we're going to tell you about what updates have been made and what you need to know to get approved.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into what cards they have available and what benefits you receive. Okay, so the first card is a Sam's credit card. Now, with this particular card, it's a store card, money magnets, and that means you can only use it at the store. But the wonderful thing about it is you can use it at Walmart as well.
Right.
So I love Wally World. That's what we call Walmart. But you can use this card. There's no annual fee with this particular card. But just keep in mind that it's only a store card, okay? But Marvin, let's look at what other card they have.
All right, let's talk about the good one, the Sam's Club MasterCard. Now, with this one, you can earn a lot of cash back. You can earn 5% cash back on gas anywhere. You can earn 3% on the Sam's Club purchases, also 3% on dining and takeout. You can also earn 1% on all other purchases. So this card gives you a lot of rewards. It could be an everyday business card with no annual fee. It doubles as a membership card, and it works at Sam's Club and Walmart. And the great thing about it, look, the limit goes up to $20,000. Now let's get into what you need to know to actually get approved for this card.
Most definitely. Marvin, there has been a lot of changes to the process of how you get the Sam's Club card. You know, before you didn't have to be a personal guarantor, but now they have made a lot of changes with that. So they're most definitely going to verify your credit, you know, before they actually issue the card.
And before I apply for this card, guys, what I would do is check my business profile. I would go to Smart Business Reports, which is Experience Business Report. I would make sure the name of my company is correct, my address is correct, and the owners are actually correct. And you have to be more than an 80% owner to actually apply for this card. And then, guys, make sure that your business is set up properly. We have a video that we made about how to set your business up. And keep in mind, guys, if you want to get up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you set up a free business strategy call with Gloria now.
Okay, Marvin, we talk about this a lot. Money magnets, it is so important that you have your information correct because with this particular card, they are going to verify you. Like when we applied for it, they sent us over a text to make sure that I was who I said I was. And what the text read was, if you did not apply for this particular card, please do not click the link. But I applied for it, so I was able to click the link so it can verify my identity.
So I would double check both reports, your personal report, and I would verify everything is correct on my business report. Also, with making sure the business is set up, make sure you got a business email, a business phone number, which could come to your cell phone. Your cell phone could be your business phone. And guys, make sure the biggest mistake we see is most business owners don't have their address correct. So make sure if you started your business at home and now you have it at a virtual office or a real brick and mortar, look, make sure that that address is correct because these small things can get you denied. And even on your personal credit.
Most definitely. Now, money magnets, when we're talking about your personal credit, make sure you don't have any freezes on your credit. Make sure that your credit is open because they are going to do a soft pull on that.
And also no fraud alerts. If you've had identity theft in the past, call the bureaus, remove those fraud alerts. All of these things can get you denied. And next, guys, make sure your business credit has 5 to 7 accounts reporting. If you don't know which ones to set up, I'm going to give you a list of them. You can do NAB, you can do Fair Figure, you can do Uline, you can do Quill, and you can also do a company called Shirtsy. With those 5 accounts, you should have a business profile set up. And don't forget, a gas card can help you out as well.
Okay, Marvin, did you forget to tell them about eCredible? Because a lot of times, you know, it may not report when you set up these accounts. So with eCredible, they help you report and they report for you as well as a potential creditor.
You can turn your bills into credit. So like Gloria said, if you just have a building, you got rent, you got a telephone bill, all of those bills can be used to report your business credit. That was a great tip, Gloria.
Okay, Marvin. Now you can apply right online.
Yeah.
Before, they didn't have it where you can apply online. But if you do decide to go into the store, make sure you have your EIN number with you, make sure you have the correct business address, and make sure you have a business phone number. One of the most important things is making sure that the representative type all of your information correctly into the system, because one mishap with a phone number or with the address can cost you a denial, and you have to wait 30 days before you can reapply.
Yes, I would actually ask them, can I type it in myself? Because we see so much misinformation on business reports and sometimes even on personal reports, and you don't want to let somebody else's mistake cost you another 30 days and when it comes to getting an approval.
And Marvin, one tip that I want to drop for the money magnets is, setting up NAV can most definitely help you. A lot of times we see so many of our business owners get denied just because of incorrect information.
Right.
So you want to make sure that you go ahead and set up that NAV account, because not only will it give you your score, your address, you just want to make sure everything lines up.
Yep. And that business phone is very important. Yes. They may even call your business phone. So if you're at the store, have somebody else answer the phone, or you can answer it, but be aware they may verify your business and they may verify your personal.
And this is just a good way for them to lower the chances of fraud.
Now, usually, guys, they're going to look at your Experian small business report. On your personal, most of the time, Synchrony pulls your TransUnion. This is a great card if you're starting business credit or if you continue to build your business credit. And if you guys want us to do a video on Synchrony's personal cards, make sure y'all drop a comment below. And also, if you have any experience with the Sam's Club MasterCard or you got a recent approval, please drop it in the comments below. And guys, make sure you like and share this video.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap of what you need to get approved for this card.
All right, guys, the major update is last year, they didn't ask for personal credit at all. This year they do. So remember, you're going to have a Smart Business or Experian business report with an 80 or better if you want the full approval of like $20,000. On the personal credit, they're most likely going to pull your TransUnion. Yeah. I would have a 700 credit score, less than 3 inquiries on my TransUnion for the best chances of getting approved. And also make sure that you answer the phone and you respond to the text, because otherwise you have a great chance of getting denied, guys.
And this is how you're going to get to the bag.
And make sure all your information is correct. Name, address, phone number, EIN number, telephone number, if you want the best chances of getting approved, because that's what we want to happen to you guys.
Keep in mind, money magnets, that the letter that they send you in the mail, you want to look at that, because it's going to tell you why you didn't get approved.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people get denied. You got to realize, guys, I wasn't the smartest in school. And so I would always look at when I failed a test or I didn't get something right, all the answers were there. If you go over all the denial reasons, now that gives you the answer to the test the next time. And I've seen people do this 4 times in a row until they got approved. And having a $20,000 credit card on your business credit is not bad to have. It'll help you build credit.
Most definitely. So hold up, Marvin.
What's up?
I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, money magnets, if you have not set up your business credit, I have a video that will walk you through step by step. So check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.